What's up, guys? 2020 Honda Accord. We have an outer tie rod and we got a lower ball joint over here. We're gonna be replacing both these. We're gonna separate the videos. So to start off, this is a 2020 Accord. We need to take out this tie rod. The tie rod part number is, as you guys can see right there, it's 53560 TV A03. Okay. To take out the tie rod, this thing has a noisy hit something really hard. So we're gonna take off the cotter pin first, and we're gonna remove this. Also, we're gonna loosen this, and then we're gonna bang with the hammer. This tie rod will fall out. We will count the threads on the tie rod, and let's start this job. To take out this cotter pin, I like to use my cutter here. This thing is gonna gently just get that out of the housing. And just step it back a bit. That's how I usually get these off. So new part does not come with anything. When you buy an original part, it's not going to come with anything. So we need to take this off and loosen this, and then we're going to count the threads out so we can count the threads right back in. Okay, I like to use adjustable wrench on this. So this is going to be turned counterclockwise if you're looking from the back end. So usually it's that simple. Sometimes it's hard, so that's loose. And once this is loose, we should be able to turn this tie rod once we remove this and bang this out of there. Okay, I got a 18 millimeter sitting on it. So let me get this, and we're going to take that bolt off, the nut, I'm sorry. That's 18 millimeter. Now we can just bang this. Do not bang this, you will mess up the thread, just in case you need to put the tie rod back in. Banging here is normal, or a fork or a tool that pushes this down, and this will come down. Okay, so I don't got a good angle since I gotta hold the hammer. Do not hit over here because this will go down here and bang that out. So I am gonna just kind of turn this out towards me by just yanking on this, and that will give me a better angle. There you go. The whole thing just drops. Okay, now count the threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and a half. So usually I will write that on the floor and a half, and I will just let that sit there. But we need to do a ball joint also. So now we're able to move this all around. So the ball joint is a little bit of a different story, and let's start that next. 18 and a half. That's about half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So it landed about the same spot. I'm gonna just go a little bit more, and alignment is gonna be off, but it's not gonna be off that much. We're gonna get this into place. I need to get this because I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, once we catch the threads, we can lock this up and put the cotter pin right through. Let me get my impact off the floor there, and here goes nothing. Okay, that's just enough spot, perfect spot for the cotter pin to go through. Go, and I am going to fold this with my plier here. And we're done, guys. And do not forget to tighten that, okay? And then since we did the ball joint with it, make sure you push this plate back or it will rub against the water. So we are going to lock this up and then we're just done. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and do get alignment after this. Your alignment will be off. Perfect. Bada bing, bada boom.